Today for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15, we are going to talk about Bitcoin because guys, look at this. We have new developments in the charts and the question right now is of course, is this here a confirmed breakout and we are off to the races to our bullish price target which is not even visible here in the charts, or are there some serious warning signs evolving for Bitcoin and this is going to be a fake out down to the bearish price target? Well, we are going to talk about all of that because according to DaVinci J15, there are new developments in the charts pointing towards a very clear direction. We want to talk about potential trades right now for Bitcoin and what are our next potential trades for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. I want to be talking about all of that. But first of all, guys, I want to ask you to sit down, to scroll down. And this is very important because of you guys. We are hitting 45,000 views on every single video. This is unseen. This is #1 in the world because you are #1 in the world. Thank you so much for that. Smash up the like button once again to a new all-time high and also press subscribe, press the bell, and this is important, press the bell to get notified when we are releasing our next time-sensitive video. And with that being said, I want to come to the by far most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
In the pot, 5 by 5. I noticed that your videos, when you hit the subscribe and like, it's in German. Do you?
Yeah. I'm too lazy to change it. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. All right. So, anyways, how you doing in Dubai?
I'm doing very well. In the end, I will show you a little bit of the view. It's completely beautiful. Of course, makes a lot of fun to provide content here for the people. And yeah, why we don't go straight into it, just quickly here, abonniert means subscribe. So just that you know for the future, it's the subscription button. Yeah, but DaVinci, we talked about some very interesting developments in the charts here. So can you elaborate a little bit on that? Let me also pull out the RSI and yeah, just let me know what is going on here. I'm going over to the 4-hourly candles and please let us know what is the next likely move for Bitcoin. What are your warning signs and yeah, what's going on?
What you can see in the past, right? We are having like serious like bearish divergences. Like we had multiple bearish divergences as the price continued higher and the RSI continued downwards, and that was indicating that that we're going to actually fall, like have a bearish stance, and Bitcoin was going to actually go down. But instead, the bears got wiped out. They got cleaned. They got their clocks cleaned, and Bitcoin went really a lot higher than they expected. So now they're trying it once again. The bears are once again at it again. They are pushing the price down, but they don't have an actual bearish divergence.
Exactly.
Right, and so it's going to be very difficult for them to get the price down, but they're trying again. They're trying again, as you can see from the what's it called, the funding rates. That's the funding rates. The funding rate, as you can see from the funding rates, man, if you're long, you're getting paid, but if you're short, you're actually you're losing money. So yeah, the shorts are piling in, and they're trying to get back the money they lost in this last run up.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very interesting. I mean, right now we are seeing here lower highs for Bitcoin, the RSI lower. So from that point of view, it is fine, considering that before we had like many bearish divergences and every single time the bears got punished. Well, this is at least very interesting. I wanted to go to the lower time frames here because yesterday we talked about a potential symmetrical triangle, and what we can see here, and this is something I personally as a pattern trader I love to see, is usually we can see Bitcoin breaking out, going down, and confirming the previous resistance, which is now, at least it seems like it, turning into support. So this could be a confirmed breakout, and I want to know your opinion about that. One thing which I don't like is this beyond laughable volume we are seeing here on the hourly candles, also on the 4-hourly, whatever time frame you are going on. So usually with this breakout and then a confirmation of the breakout, I want to see a higher volume. So just from the surface, this looks amazing, but the volume is not coming in. So I want to know from you, DaVinci, what do you think about that specifically?
Have you ever heard the term volume speaks volumes?
Tell me about it.
Well, basically, it shows that if there's no volume, right, and we're in a process of going higher, and there's no volume, that means that their buyers are like getting tired. They're weakening. So the volume is telling us something. It's telling us that maybe you shouldn't be going long here. Just maybe. But who knows, right? This is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin could just wake up and just continue pumping higher. So don't discount the bulls, right? Because the bulls, when they come in hard in Bitcoin, and everybody knows this is the time to be buying in Bitcoin.
Yes, buying, but not necessarily longing, right? So the question is, where is the right long position? And I think right now we have to wait maybe for some volume coming in. A potential thing could be when we are going before the above the last rejection, but with volume, with follow through, of course, very important. And yesterday, Da Vinci, I just wanted to remind everyone, you mentioned these specific levels here as important levels for Bitcoin to, was it this one?
It was this one right there. Yes.
Yes, as potential levels where we could say, well, pound the table, we are going higher or we are going lower. So right now, let's take a look here at this specific confirmation. This is what we at MMCrypto like to see actually after a breakout. So far, the previous resistance is confirmed as support, but the volume is missing. So if we are going above this, this could be the first or the second confirmation. But of course, according to you, if you want to play it very securely, once we are closing here an hourly or 4-hourly candle above this one,
that's correct.
That would be, guys, we are most certainly here going higher, and then maybe even getting to the price target we mentioned yesterday here, approximately below the 17,000 US dollar levels. However, if we are not able to get some volume in, and just let me know if you would agree with that, and go down here close below this one, then this could be a potential price target, 13,700. I personally think still, just like one-on-one on trading, this is a bullish, this is a continuation pattern. We are going bullishly into it. So technically the probability should be higher on the bulls, right? It should be higher that we are breaking out towards the upside, right?
Yes, exactly. But if you want to play this on with a knob stop, really, there is a way to play with this with a. I wouldn't suggest you do this, but some people do it, right? What I call it the knob stops, because when Bitcoin's moving as fast as it does, you could see your stops getting run. So if you wanted to, because you know what, you want to get a 2-to-1, you want to end the trade right at the target, right? There's a 3-to-1 here actually from that breakout at that level here. So if we break out and you decide, okay, I'm going to wait for the second breakout and get in on this entry, which is at the $15,830, you can do that and hit the stop at $15,500 and get a 3-to-1 at the target, at Chris's target here. But I consider it a knob stop.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. But man, guys, here you have it, and I will be sharing this trading setup in our Telegram group. It is down below, and I just wanted to show everyone here who is still like euphoric. Don't forget that we are going crazy for Bitcoin like since ages here. These are the weekly candles. So every correction would be considered to be healthy. Don't get too crazy. We are having our holding portfolios. It is completely fine to sometimes stand a little bit on the sidelines and just look at this. The general trend is going up. The trend is your friend until the end. And so far the trend is not ending, especially if you're looking here on the weekly candles. So let's not get all too excited. And I have some very interesting news for everyone right here. First of all, don't forget that we have the highest bonus here down below. Don't rush into trades, but secure the bonus. It is the highest bonus on YouTube. Click the link, email address, password after your initial deposit. If you're an experienced trader, and only then, you can get the $610 bonus for free with the link down below. And you can trade with the bonus. You can withdraw the profits from this free bonus trade as well. More importantly here, this. And Da Vinci, you always have some nice discounts, especially for our following here. What happens when someone purchases here the 1-month subscription or the annual subscription for Pandora's wallet?
Yes, well, you get access to my portfolio. You see what I'm trading, what I'm buying, and you can see all my altcoins. I have a lot of altcoins. Don't you agree, Chris?
Too many. I call it an altcoin messy.
Yeah, well over 250 altcoins, and yeah, you can see how I trade that. Also, how I trade in the markets as well. I trade both Ethereum and Bitcoin as well. So you could get follow some of my trades and Inti's trades. Inti's showing you what his trades are. So yeah, it's lots of fun, and you get to learn a little bit about trading. We can't teach you everything, but we do try to help you out.
Yeah, and it's amazing. Like for this price, it is a very, very high value per money. I just went to the group. I see many people very happy by being about it. And what I like, I don't like how many altcoins you have, but what I like about it is you are selling them into Bitcoin. You're making profits in Bitcoin, and that's your primary purpose.
Exactly.
You're successful with it, so why not? Like, it's amazing.
Don't you want to make money in Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is money, so yes, I don't want to make it in US dollar.
Exactly.
Well, if you agree to that, guys, leave your thoughts down below. But more importantly, if you agree that the only profits should be made in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is money, smash up the like button for that. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much for shedding light here with your knowledge bombs on Bitcoin. If you appreciate that, if you appreciate the free content, make sure you smash up the like button. And before I ask you for your last words of today, I want to show you a little bit of the view here, guys. I hope you can see it. Look at this. Blue sea. So I think we are going to jump into the sea today. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. You are the best crypto family out there. With that being said, Da Vinci, do you have any last words to share before we are wrapping it up for today?
Always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, guys, press the MMCrypto and more importantly, the Da Vinci J15 subscription box right there. And also the Bible tutorial, which is popping up somewhere here. And as always, guys, bye-bye.